comes to decorating, the outdoors doesn't really need any help, but since it's almost Christmas, I have an idea for making decorations for trees from birdseed and Christmas cookie cutters. I start out with half of a cup of cold water in the pan, add the gelatin, then a half cup of boiling water, stir it up enough till everything dissolves, put in 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, stir that a little more, and then add the birdseed. 2½ cups is enough. Stir that up a little, 2 or 3 minutes, and it'll still seem runny, so put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. That'll firm things up, and then you can press them into the cookie cutters. They're your molds, but before I put down the cookie cutters, I did spray them with cooking spray just to make sure the seed won't stick to them after it hardens. And I put the whole thing on a sheet of wax paper on top of the cookie sheet. Press down the batter, if you will, firmly with the spoon. One night in the refrigerator, especially with temperatures below freezing, they're good to hang up on your tree. As you're watching for the birds to come, if everything works, you'll see some cardinals, some finches, and that, believe me, is the real decoration at Christmas or any time.